guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Santoria Jones, and if you are new, do not forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are old, you guys already know what to do. For anyone who just wants general questions about what's going on, you can put it down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to this video. So unfortunately, I lost the footage where I actually cleaned my oven as well. But you can go ahead and head over to my TikTok so you can see that little fiasco, of course. But yeah, so today's video is going to be me basically cleaning my oven, my stove top, sorry. And because this is the worst thing ever to clean to me, it was a little but you know, we got to get it done. But yeah, all information will be listed in the video. Don't forget to leave your questions down below. Okay, so this is basically just an overview of how dirty my stovetop is. I try to like clean it whenever I can, really, but some of that stuff is like very hard to get off. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start off with this pink stuff that I've seen on TikTok. I'm always on TikTok, and the Scotch Brite pads. But one thing about it is you do not want to be so heavy with the scrubbing pad because it is kind of like a rough texture and you do not want to leave scratches on top of your stove. But I started off with just a that much of the pink stuff, and I sprayed it. I think I sprayed it with, I don't know what I sprayed it with before, I can't remember, but just use some soap and water, I guess. But yeah, just use that, and I just cut my little Scotch Brite pad in half that way because I didn't really need the whole thing, and I squirted it with that again. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's probably window cleaner because this glass top is this stove is glass top. But yeah, just rub that in, put a little bit elbow grease into it, but just not too rough, of course. And yeah, just put that work in. So now that I got that rubbed in very good, I just let it dry for about 30 minutes, and I came back to this. It is kind of to get this off, but I mean, you know, it has to come off, and it did a very good job. But yeah, after you finish wiping all of that off, you want to just, I went back in with my window cleaner, which is Windex, and you know, just shined it up a little bit more to get that excess little powder stuff, whatever you want to call it, off. And I went in with a paper towel. You can go in with a microfiber towel as well. But as you guys see, it came out very nice. No spots. It's a few little spots you can see right here. It's a few little spots there, but it's just very little. But yeah, I just put my stove the cover back on, which I made. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace.